What's up guys, myself Sampath, and today we got the iPhone 13 Pro, and let's see what's new and what's different. My initial impressions on the phone was that it was great to hold and got the same premium design that was followed by the 12 series, and yet still catching fingerprints. The notch size has been decreased, and Apple each year reboots with a new color, and this time it's the Sierra Blue. At last, Apple adds Super Fluid display, also known as the ProMotion display, that's used in all iPad Pros, which supports all the way from 0 to 120Hz depending upon the use case scenario, and the experience was significant. This display supports HDR content and has a peak brightness level of up to 1200 nits, and it's same as the last year iPhone 12 series, and watching movies on this thing is quite delightful. Now, coming to the audio quality. So here's a sample for you. In the camera segment, we got a lot of changes and huge improvements where the 13 Pro camera module size has been increased to enhance the light taking ability to get more detailed pictures. And also, Apple introduced the new cinematic mode for all its 13 series, so here are some samples. Guys, this video is being shot on the iPhone 13 Pro, and the details are amazing as you expect from an iPhone, and the audio is also great because that's how you're hearing it. Apple also added a new feature known as Photographic styles, which provides us with extra default filters, and they were useful in some scenarios, but to me personally, I didn't find it fascinating. Also, the Face ID is working great, no complaints here. Now, coming to the performance. The 13 Pro is equipped with the Apple's A15 Bionic chip, and here's a gaming clip for you.
Hunter-killer drone deployed. Target down! Keep on them. We're winning this one.
And also, the battery life has been increased a lot. And yes, Apple listened to its user after a long time. And this phone battery lasts a day for me. And it's amazing. So, at the end, what I want to conclude was that Apple really went far this time and included a lot of things that users have been asking for in the last few years. And that's all folks, thanks for watching, myself Sampath, and catch you on the next one.